Right, everybody, what we got here is an SG90. It's a servo, and it's 180 degree. You're getting 360 and 180. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm trying to calibrate it automatically. And, you know, it's showing the angulation on an OLED display, but you can also have a look at your on your serial monitor when you put it on. Let me see. Okay, these are the codes to do automatic. I prefer do automatic. I don't want to get involved with the minus and plus and all that with the potential meter and adjusted it. It can be you know, I know that for educational purposes it's good to know the mathematics of it, but also sometimes, you know, you can go easier way. The easier way is to have it automatically done, and I think it works most of the time. Sometimes if it's not, you can always put in a pot and then adjust it till you get the correct angulation. Most of these are not 100% precise, so you will always have that problem. Sometimes they need to be often recalibrated, and the best is to do it automatic. It takes 3 to 4 minutes, sometimes more. Any case, and there we are, and you can see it's self-calibrating based on 90 degree. So yeah, well, thank you very much, and I will post the codes on the web. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.